Namaskar. Today, let us talk about an important health topic: how non vegetarian food affects your body and mind. In modern times, many of us consume non vegetarian food regularly, but we must ask ourselves, is it truly necessary for our health today? Non vegetarian food items are rich in some essential nutrients like high quality protein that helps in muscle repair and growth, vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and to build red blood cells, iron and omega 3 fatty acids. They support heart health and brain function. But do we really need all these benefits from animal products? See, the modern world has changed dramatically. Centuries ago, when humans were more physically active, working in field, hunting, and walking long distance, non-veg food played a crucial role in providing energy and nutrition. But today, our life has become much more sedentary. In fact, consuming high amount of animal-based food while leading a sedentary lifestyle can lead to health issues like high cholesterol and heart disease. WHO study found that frequent consumption of red meat, which is unprocessed, has found that the bowel cancer would be at a high risk. Digestive issues like constipation, as non-veg food lacks fibers, which is so essential for food digestion. A sedentary lifestyle combined with excessive non-veg food increases the risk of obesity, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. It can also increase anxiety and aggression in a person. Our body is no longer as active as once it was. Don't eat the same amount of heavy animal protein and fat. Excessive meat consumption places a burden on global productivity and healthcare system too. It has been estimated that in 2020, there were 2.4 million deaths worldwide, approximately 22 billion rupees in healthcare costs attributed to red meat and processed meat consumption. So now let's understand how plant-based diets are much better for our body. Studies have shown that plant-based diet lowers the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer, improves digestion and gut health due to high fiber consumption, and reduces the risk of obesity. Another fascinating and unique aspect of plant-based food is that they have polyphenol and bioactive compounds. These are powerful compounds found only in plants, and they have a big role to play in keeping our body healthy and heart fit strong. Take turmeric for example. It contains a polyphenol called as curcumin, which has amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. In fact, it's curcumin which gives haldi many healing effects, right from reducing joint pain to improving digestion. By consuming a diet rich fruits and consuming nuts, you are absorbing these polyphenol and bioactive compounds that help you in protecting your heart, help reverse atherosclerosis, a plaque buildup in arteries. Polyphenol and bioactive compounds can act as antioxidant. This means that they can neutralize harmful free radicals that would otherwise damage your cells and increase the risk of condition like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease, boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation. They can help you lower your blood pressure more effectively than certain medication. Imagine controlling your blood pressure naturally simply by including more colorful plant-based food in your diet. They lower LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, by as much as 33%. Physical benefits are amazing. Now, let's also understand a philosophy, a bit When you consume non-vegetarian food, you are essentially taking a characteristic of animal itself. Animals often experience stress and pain before they are slaughtered, and these emotions get locked in their tissues. When you consume animal products, you are ingesting not just their physical matter but also their emotional energy they carry. This energy can affect your mind and consciousness. In contrast, plants offer us something more direct and pure. Plants are nourished directly by these Panch Mahabhutas of earth, water, fire, air, and ether. These are the fundamentally building blocks of our life. When we consume plant, we are ingesting pure energy that has come directly from these elements. Benefits of this type of energies are it has a grounding, calming effect on our body and mind. It helps us stay connected to nature's rhythm and energy. We are nourished by the most basic and most natural way of energy. While non-vegetarian food has its benefits, sedentary life no longer has such energy need. Remember, the food we eat shapes not just our body but also our mind and consciousness. You are, after all, what you eat. May you be mindful of the energy which you invite in your body. Namaskar.